Hello and welcome to today's video. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Maven Prop Firm. Now, the Maven Prop Firm is one of those proprietary firms that grant you access to huge capital to trade while you just work with those capital initially with a very small amount of money. So literally, you purchase this capital with a small amount of money, pass some steps, and get funded successfully with profit splits between you and the prop firm. So Maven Prop Firm is one of those easy prop firms to work with because it's really affordable, and we'll be seeing more about them shortly. So this video is the first video in our series of prop firms. We'll be talking about several prop firms, their current status, and how we can go about them successfully. Alright, so if you want to work with Marvin Prop Firm, you can use the link in the description to register on Marvin now and get started with your profits and get paid like these folks over here. Alright, so basically, let's go into Marvin completely. If you're new to this community, this is Investor Tio speaking, and this community focuses more as the academy for peeps like X. And here we do everything from Web3 updates to trading updates, prop firms, cryptos, everything related to finance, just to make sure that you earn properly. All right, so we are your finance educators. We're here to make sure you are making profits. So do what to subscribe and turn on notification bell so you don't miss our updates. Like our videos and share with others too. All right, so let's discuss Marvin properly. So yeah, this is Marvin Prop Firm we're talking about. So Marvin Prop Firm, from what we can see here, it has no swap fees, lowest spread, and you can contact customer support 247. All right, if you know Prop Firm Match, you can literally check this out properly to know how great Marvin is. But yes, let's go into the video while we're here. Now, they give you the opportunity to make a trades from $2,000 in funding to $100,000 in funding with different prices, as you can see over here. All right, and Marvin has two-step account, one-step account, and yes, once you pass those steps, you're getting funded to make good profits. We have Marvin from this segment on the Discord, so we're going to be checking out their payouts. All right, so let's check our payout proofs on Marvin, and then we know if we are cool to work with Marvin. All right, so yeah, this is for Marvin. Once this loads up, you'll see that a lot of people have been paid out. You can check the dates and see when they paid. So this bureau was paid, Marco was paid today, 1:08 p.m., $640 from Marvin. Iman was paid yesterday, $319. John was paid $1,200, and just like that, Pips have actually been paid from Marvin. Alright, so you can clearly see how this works. So seeing this proof, no one's complaining right now. You can see the amount, you can see the deposit in their accounts. We know that actually works. Okay, so with this said, let's get back on track and focus on Marvin platform. So basically, this is Marvin, and once again, you can always use link in the description to sign up. Now they have a two-step account and one-step account. So if you're working with $2,000, because they are one of the cheapest prop firms out there, they can work with the MatchTrader option. MatchTrader option is cheaper than cTrader because MatchTrader doesn't have much features like cTrader. And if you're just getting started and don't have much funds, don't scare yourself with cTrader because you just incur extra cost with $20 to get cTrader. So you can just work with MatchTrader. Yes, it might take you a while to adjust, but yeah, once you adjust properly, you just there to execute your trades and you work with it. Right, so that's for MatchTrader. You can clearly see MatchTrader, cTrader, right? So when you click on buy now, you move on to buy directly, right? But before that, let's explain how it works out. So there's a profit target if you're working with this two-step account. Let's explain two-step account first before one step. There's the 8% profit target and 5% profit target. So 8% is for the step one, 5% for step two. But yeah, I'm going to be working with $5K explanation because two step is $15. Check this out. 5 step, $19. So you get the point. This is a marketing strategy, but yeah, it works all the time. All right, so why get 2K for 15 when you can get 5K for 19? So marketing dope, but you keep on checking higher up. 10K is times 2, 20K is times 2, 50K is times 2, 50K 2.5, 100K times 2, almost times 2. You get the point. So literally, this is where the main marketing trick came in. So a lot of people will be getting 5K accounts as their popular accounts, obviously. All right, so basically this is 19K funded to get funded refundable, which means once you pass profit account, you can get a 19, that's a 19K, you can get a $19 back, right? With some rules obviously involved. Right, so this MatchTrader here, profit target 8%, then 5% over here. So which means if you pass the 8% threshold on your account, that's you make $400 on your account, you get through with phase one and you're moving on to phase two, where you just need to make 5%. So if you actually traded way, you can just rinse and repeat, make a 5% and get funded with $5,000 from just your $19 deposit. So you can see this is a huge reward on your risk, or rather on your capital. Okay, so basically With this, they work with balance-based drawdown for two-step. Please take note, two-step. I'm not really focused on one step because one step is a trailing-based drawdown kind of scenario. But here mainly works with balance-based drawdown. So 8% means on your $5,000, don't go beneath $400 at all in loss, right? Anytime you go beneath $400 in loss, you're losing the account, right? But on every single daily transaction, like a daily transaction, you can have a maximum daily drawdown of 4%, which means in a day you should not make above 4% of your account as losses. Working with $5,000, you should not make up to $200 in loss because daily drawdown is 4%. This is when you're working with the two-step rule on Marvin. So yeah, you can clearly see profit targets, drawdown, daily drawdown. The first step, you need to get 8% of your account, so that's $400. Then stage 2, that's phase 2, get 5%, that's $250. All right, maximum trading days is infinite. Once you have your account, you can keep on trading. Viral drawdown is static here, which is great. I love static drawdown the best. Daily drawdown is balance slash equity minus highest at EOD. So EOD is end of day. So either they use the balance there or the equity minus the highest amount at the end of the day. So just know fully well that if you are risking properly, you don't need to stress yourself too much. If you're working with two-step, just don't lose up to $200 there. All right, in a day. You get, so minimum profit split. So minimum profit split, that's 80%, which means when you pass the account, you'll be getting, if you make a profit up to $500 in a trading period, you get 80% of that money. That's $400 going to you. 20% of $500 is $100. $100 will be going to Marvin. So you're making a lot of money. Those of you that are doing account management as traders out there, you know how you do it. Account management 50-50% splits and the rest. So if you're actually profitable and you know how to trade, why not take a profit account, and when you pass it, you get 80% of the money, not 50%, not 40, 80% with the only risk of $19, which is also refundable. So if you know how to trade, actually, you're showing your skills and you get a profit account to trade. All right, payout frequency 10 business days. So after passing your account, you get your payment in 10 business days. All right, so that's literally for this aspect. So step one, $19, just $19 if you're working with just one step. But here's the catch. Yeah, 8% profit target, same 8% here. But here's the catch, like I mentioned, it's 5% from your highest equity. It's a trailing drawdown. So 5% from your highest equity, I don't really buy the idea that well because you can easily lose this account. All right. And the painful part is the fact that once you get funded with this method, it continues steadily. So any account you pick and you get funded with it, that's what you continue working with. So I'm not okay with this aspect at all because it's trailing drawdown, trailing 5% from highest equity. So let's say you have a $500 account. The account rose all the way to $5,200. Yeah, that is a 4% increase. Then it's moved down to break even and then move down to your SL. It's normally that SL would have been, oh, you're down, let's say you're risking 1% per trade, you're down 1%. All right, you're risking 1% per trade, it gave you 4% profit, but you're supposed to get 5% profit to close the trade fully. Instead of you getting your 5 RR close properly, market comes back to break even. To get it back to break even with trailing drawdown rule, you are down 4%. The market gets down to your SL position with 1%, you are down 5% and your account is lost. Like just losing 1% of your account size, you can lose the entire thing while working with one step. But if you are working with two steps, losing 1% is 1%. You still have roughly 3% to go for that day and 7% to continue. And see how this part is really, really risky for us to work with. So this is why I don't really like trailing drawdown. I prefer balance, right? So Marvin has both, so you can make a decision. Special features you can add up, all right? You can check out weekend holding, swap free, unique buyback features. So these are great features you can work with. So Marvin has been in the news. You can check out Marvin. Go to their site. The link is going to be in the description. Work with it. Go through these concepts to understand Marvin better. I've explained how they work and how you can go about it. They see these platforms as educational facilities, educational communities that you can work with. So you can check out their Discord. Like I showed you earlier, their Discord has a lot of concepts. I showed you where they have withdrawal proof. They have conversation segment on their Discord. They have funded trader segment on their Discord. They have a lot of things on their Discord. Just explore. Okay, so this is Marvin, Nigeria, United States, Canada. You can see how great it is. All right, as usual, every company has issue one way or the other, one time or the other. So it's best you know how to resolve your issues or work with professionals that can resolve their issues on time. So as at today, the 25th of December, some people say, bro, why are you doing this on Christmas Day? But yeah, as of today, 25th of December, Marvin is still active. Just keep the grind going. All right, so compare Marvin's pricing plan with competitors below. So this is FTMO, I funded FX and Marvin, so you can check what they have. Marvin allows you to go through 2K account, start and pro account, one step, up to 85% profit split. So as keep on making profits, you can increase your profit split just like that. There's a buyback feature. Buyback feature literally means when you lose your profit account after getting funded, you can buy the account back by paying a certain amount of money, all right, to get it. So you can learn with Marvin, expand your knowledge, know that it has your back. All right. Once again, you can join Discord via Marvin, check out Marvin directly, and learn more about Marvin Prop Firm. Then you're good to go. Remember, the link to everything you need is in the description below. No clue how to go about Marvin. Explore. People maximizing gains. Remember, there's a general chat. You can ask your questions here. Markets close, getting discounts, high, gets everybody asking their questions. You can freely talk. All right. You can talk when you actually have permission to send message here. So this part showing supports offline till 26th of December. It's Christmas. Okay, screamer mode enabled. Usernames have been truncated. I'm on screamer mode right now, so I can't really do much here. All right, but what you need to know that this account is available for you to ask questions, interact with. There are questions and answer segments you can work with. All right, so we'll discuss properly and we'll move successfully with this concept. Okay, so this is Marvin for you and keep on enjoying the concepts. The link in the description. You can join my trading community once you get profit from my account with the link in the description. Join my trading community on Telegram and trade the free signals I've given to you. So once you trade the free signals, you can use those free signals to pass the profit from my account and make good money. All right. Just support the champ. I'll see you in the next video. Do it, subscribe, like, and share this video with others. I'll keep on exploring more firms. Cheers.